Vertical gardening is a creative and efficient way to maximize limited space while adding a touch of greenery to your surroundings. Whether you have a small balcony, a tiny backyard, or even just a wall indoors, vertical gardens allow you to grow a variety of plants vertically rather than horizontally. This technique not only saves space, but also adds aesthetic appeal and can provide benefits such as improved air quality and insulation. Here are some tips to help you create your own vertical garden. 1. Choose the right location. Assess the available space and lighting conditions. Different plants have varying light requirements, so select a location that suits the plants you plan to grow. 2. Select suitable plants. Not all plants are well suited for vertical gardening. Look for plants that have shallow root systems, are compact in size, and have a trailing or climbing growth habit. Some popular choices include succulents, herbs, small vegetables, ferns, and certain flowering plants. 3. Determine the vertical structure. There are various ways to create a vertical garden structure. Vertical planters, these can be wall-mounted planters, pocket planters, or modular systems designed for vertical gardening. Trellises and lattices, these are great for climbers and vining plants. They provide support for plants to grow vertically. Hanging planters, suspended planters, or hanging baskets can be hung from hooks or mounted on rods. 4. Choose the right medium. The medium in which your plants will grow is crucial. Use a lightweight potting mix that provides good drainage and aeration. Some vertical planters come with built-in pockets or containers for each plant. 5. Planting and maintenance. Planting, carefully insert plants into the designated spaces in the vertical structure, making sure the roots are well covered with soil. Proper watering is essential. Vertical gardens can dry out more quickly than traditional gardens, so monitor the moisture level and water as needed. Fertilizing. Depending on the plants you choose and the type of medium you use, you may need to fertilize periodically. Follow the recommended guidelines for each plant type. 6. Aesthetics and design. Color and texture. Consider the colors and textures of the plants you choose to create an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Arrangement. Plan the arrangement of plants to ensure they have enough space to grow, and don't shade each other excessively. 7. Maintenance. Regularly trim and prune plants to prevent overgrowth and maintain the desired appearance. Monitor for pests and diseases and address any issues promptly. Plants start to outgrow their vertical space. You can propagate or replace them. 8. Indoor Vs. Outdoor vertical gardens. Outdoor vertical gardens may require more attention to weather conditions and potential pests. Indoor vertical gardens can thrive in controlled environments with proper lighting and climate conditions. Vertical gardening is not only functional, but also offers a unique opportunity for creativity. Experiment with plant combinations, colors, and arrangements to create a visually stunning and space-efficient garden. Whether you're greening up a small urban space or adding life to a bare wall, the magic of vertical gardening can transform your surroundings.